Will now be recorded.
So today's class we are going to discuss with introduction to YouTube channel. So where we call it as YouTube marketing. Okay. So if I talk about the YouTube marketing, where we have a different process, like for example promotions, and we have a products, a service, and then we have to create a video for the content on YouTube, plus we have to search and engage with the audience. So I hope everybody has a Google account, so through that we are going to create our YouTube channel. So before that I have to brief you what is YouTube and how it works, and what all the importance of it. Okay. So now we are going to start. So if I talk about YouTube, as a marketing is a process. So it's a process of promoting. So that is a main motto what we are going to promote on our channels. So first it comes for the brands, and then we are going to have products. We are going to give the services, or it might be for the personal expert using. So different using, like for example the video content. So video content, it might be daily blogs or whatever you're going to upload on the YouTube. So main thing, we have to reach, so reach on a search engine optimization, and then we have to come across with the conversion for the audience. So you have to know YouTube reach. So then we have to engage and convert audience. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is YouTube, when it has been started, history of YouTube? You can unmute and you can tell me something relevant to the YouTube. So if I talk about the YouTube, YouTube is the second largest research. So they will use a search engine after Google. So Google was one of the this thing first preference what we come across, and then YouTube is the second largest search engine for after the Google. So in this, owned by Google, so we appear on the videos. So now it is owned by Google, so videos appear in Google platform, so that we call it as the search result. Okay. So users spend more time watching videos than reading the text. So nowadays we don't prefer for the reading. So whatever it is, we do log on to the YouTube. So we search on particular topic. So that's how it is booming in the market. So for then we'll be creating with the video creates, where we trust on emotions and then we recall, all those things will be there. So, for example, let's assume that you're going to start a cooking channel. So, where you're going to teach them with the recipes, where you're going to promote with kitchen tools, digital trainer, and uploads with tutorial. So, these are the examples where we can start our a new channel. So, new channels, it's up to you what's your hobby and how you're going to start. It might be relevant to the like day to day life as a blogs, we can create it, or else if I say that I'm starting my a cooking channel, so main thing we have to be prompt on daily basis. So let's assume that We are going to start a cooking channel. So those things where we teach us on the recipes. So on this, we'll be giving you the promote on kitchen tools. Okay, so kitchen promotions we will be giving. So kitchen promotions will be giving, plus if I say that I'm having one more channel called as a tutorial, so I'll be explaining about the subject and what is the steps, each and every steps will be explained on that. So let's say that I am a digital trainer. So once if I talk about the digital trainer, on the basis of videos and plus tutorials I'll be uploading. So this where it will reach to the students and the clients. So if I talk about the digital trainer, where we will be uploading on the tutorial whatever we are going to teach for the students. So for the students, and I can say to the clients also. So these are the ideas where it will come across to start your YouTube channel. So next I can say that I'm starting a small business. So where I have to increase my revenue, where we broadcast our products. So a small business shows the products and what all the things we need to understand on that. Okay. So which channel do you watch daily? So you can unmute and you can tell me which are the channels you do watch daily basis on the YouTube.
This
We have
conference
to
will
know
now
about
be
the
recorded.
platform. So what are the platforms we will be using in the YouTube channel? Okay. So next we are going to discuss with the YouTube platform. So overview we are going to see. So overview is nothing but where we need to know about the key parts. So key parts on the home page. Like let's say that we have already an account in the Google. So based on that also I can create it, or you have any specific channel to be created, we have to give a proper information. Based on that only every day we'll be posting. So first thing it comes to the home page. So home page is a personalized video and recommendation based on what we watch, history, and for example, what we call it as an interest. So let's say that I'm going to use YouTube. So now here you can see we have a icon from here where we are going to access it. So on a daily basis, whatever we do watch on the videos, where it will pop up on our screen. Plus in the left hand sides where you can see there is an option called as the home, the shorts, subscription, and your account will display. So again, once if I scroll it down, where you can see I'm getting a relevant reviews whatever we do watch on the daily basis. So like this, even we can start uploading our video. So before that I need to create all those things are important. So now in this what happens, we have a search bar. So search bar is what, where we are going to learn on best particular brand. So once if I just click on it, you can see all these options previously we have logged on. Okay. So in this what happens, we need to know how this home page come across. So where we have based on, so home page will be, so based on what we watch has a history. Okay. So if I talk about the history and the interest, what we do watches on the daily basis, based on that I'll be getting a pop-up on the same relevant video.
This conference will now be recorded.
So next we are going to discuss with the search bar option. So in this search bar, what happens, whatever the relevant search we are going to do it, as per that we have to work on the YouTube. Yeah. So how to lean with the digital marketing. So what are the best thing we have to come across? Next one, YouTube works like a Google search. In the last class, we had been discussed with SEO and what all the things we need to create on it. So those things will be seeing now. So next, we have to know about the marketing insight. Okay, so YouTube works on the Google search, that we call it as the SEO. Okay,
Excuse
so
me,
this,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
1 minute.
Mm.
So now you can able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So now on this, we are going to see about the Google search. So what all it is required. Suppose if I say I'm going to watch the video on the page, first thing we need to about like video, a title, a description, like likes, comments, subscribe button, everything has to be given over here. So once we come back to the YouTube channel, so once we come to the YouTube channel, let's say that I'm going to open one particular video. So once if I click on it, where you can see there is a title being given plus what is about, and I'll be having all the information based on that. For example, if I'm going to play this, so now in the bottom where you can see there is option called as number of views and what are the hashtag they have given plus the information on that particular channel and the video what they have been contributed. Plus if I scroll it down where you can see subscribe, join this particular this thing. So again if I scroll it down, some app or whatever the videos we are going to use it, they'll be hidden with the commands where it doesn't want to have any command, so directly they will use only uploading on the video. So this is also one of the things where you can use it once if you're going to upload on the YouTube channel. Okay, so first thing, what all it contains. So it contains with first thing video. Okay, so next I need to give the title, and then I need to give the description, then I need to number of likes and whatever the comments we are getting, plus subscribe, then suggestion of the video. Okay. So YouTube is the second largest engine, as I told you. It is owned by the Google. Okay. So once if you talk about the channel page, so channel page, which contains with the profile page, a logo or a face or any channel name, the banner, and about the section plus videos. So for example, once if I go here, if I'm going to have my channel, once if I click on this, so where you can see where it shows you the channel name followed by the subscribers. Once if I scroll it down, relevant to that videos will be there. So let's get into it. Once if I click on this, where you can see we have a more option here. So this is the description, what is your channel is about, why they have to subscribe. So you have LinkedIn with the Instagram page, so verified with the mobile number, email ID, followed by the YouTube channel creation, whatever it has been there, where I have to share it to other person. So this is our channel name. So located, how many number of videos plus what are the views. So now here you can see there is an option called as a share the channel. So again, if I scroll it down, where you can see all the videos, here we have a video, so which follows with videos along with the shorts. So once if I scroll it down, here we might have given some catchy words, like for example where they have to come and visit our channel plus number of views. All this it is important if I'm going to create my channel. Okay, so now what we have discussed with the marketing insight, that we needed under this we should have a channel page. So channel page, so once if I talk about the channel page, first thing we need to have a profile pic. So profile pic, or it can be the branded logo, whatever you're going to use it. So profile picture, where we can use it a logo or face. So that is up to the YouTube channel, whatever you're going to run in future. So next I need to have a proper channel name. So channel name should be there. Plus I need to have a banner and about section. Plus you'll be uploading a long videos, or it might be on the shorts. So all those things where we can use it on the channel page. Is that clear, guys? So I'll do one thing, just make a note on this, whatever I had been created for you.
This conference will
So
now be
next we are
recorded.
going to start with YouTube channel creation. What is a procedure? What all the things it is required before starting with the YouTube channel. So first step we have to know create, and then we have to sign in with Google account. Okay, so first thing, you should have an sign in option. That means already you might have created an email ID, or the first time you're going to create it by giving your channel name, so that has to be created with that. So then we go to YouTube. Okay, so next, the step 2, where we have to create a channel. So once we create the channel, next we have to click on the profile picture. So where we use it as a creator channel. So create a channel, we have to choose. So what all the information it is required, it should be based on the personal name, or it can be the brand name where you're going to start your channel. So brand name, it is required, it is recommended for the marketing. So next step is choose your channel name, so easy to remember, so that should be very catchy, so that this to like any person who visits our YouTube channel, so that should be very interesting. So that's how you have to choose a channel name for it. Okay, so step 3 will be, so where we have to choose channel. So choose the channel. So once we choose a channel, name is required here. So it is where you have to choose, easy to remember. So if I tell the channel name, so the person should be able to search on the YouTube. So then you have to use a relevant to the niche, then professional. Okay, so I can give you some example. Let's say that I can say learn digital Learn digital with Sindhu. So this is the name where I can keep it for my channel. Or else I can say quick teach reviews. So this and all, it's very attracting the person to eager to watch the YouTube. Or else I can keep it one more option called as the daily English practice. So this and all where you're going to attract the YouTube by giving this particular names. Okay, so next where we have a YouTube channel optimization, which is very important. Later on we'll be discussing in detail what is YouTube channel optimization. So once we talk about it, the main thing, it comes as a profile pic which has to be clear image or a logo that should be having a high quality. So high quality if I'm going to use it. So let's say that if I want to start some designing, so designing which is relevant to the graphics. So I want to post my daily designs, the logos, whatever I'm going to use it. So let's say that graphic design images, so images with high HD. So once if I click on the search bar, so here I'm getting some free source, or else if you're good at the designing by using the Canva or any other application where you can design your own creativity, where we can keep it our banner, the background designs and all. Once if I click on this, where you can see it is 640 into 360, which is very lesser in the quality wise. Once if I click, that should be more than 1000, so that it will be not blurring with the images. So suppose if I say, if I'm going to open this image, so where we can set this. Suppose if I go back to the channel, now like this, the banner where you're going to set it, plus profile pic where you can select, as I told you, it might be a logo or it might be the company's brand, whatever you're going to explore. So once we are going to use it with YouTube channel optimization. So YouTube optimization, which is very important. And so in that first thing, it comes to as a profile. So profile picture, we have to set it. Then you should have a clear image, or it can be a logo. Okay, so always prefer in the high quality image, so that that should not blur. So where you have to show all your information on that particular. Then where it works on the personal branding also. So next, if I talk about the channel where we are going to create a banner. So banner, let's say that learn digital with Sindhu. If I say we are going to create some creativity on the topic, what we are going to use it. Plus, we need to know how to upload the channel by giving a specific schedule times. So one sequence you're going to give it that particular time where you have to follow to upload your video, so that our audience, they will be eager to watch our videos. So one sustained time where you have to keep it. So once if it says about channel banner, which includes, so which includes with channel a topic. So channel topic is important over here. Okay, so after channel topic, next one, upload. So uploading the video while scheduling it. So we have to upload, scheduled, then we have to use our social media handles. So next, what we say as the social media. So for example, so let's say that we have a banner text. Okay, so banner text is what I can say, learn digital marketing. So digital marketing, so where we are going to upload new videos every Monday, and Friday. So let's, like, every day we can't able to make it because we'll be having other schedules. So if you're working only for the YouTube channel, on the daily blockers you can give it, or else where you're going to fix one particular or two cycles where you can use it. So is that clear till here? Guys, you can able to understand whatever explained you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we need to know more on the SEO. So SEO, it's based on what we are going to understand and what is your channel is about. So that is the main thing once we talk about the section on SEO. So SEO we have to focus. So once we focus on it, next we need to know about the channel is about what. So channel is about. So now, which includes, let's say that who you are, okay, and what content you create, okay. So then keywords, keywords has to be given. Plus, we need to know about the contact or a email, okay. So I can give you an example. Let's say that this channel provides you easy tutorial on digital marketing like YouTube marketing, SEO, social media. So this and all, it's the for the beginner where you're going to start using your YouTube channel. On that, what the best you can give on a daily basis. So this and all you have to focus once if you're going to use it on the YouTube. Okay. So before that you need to plan, like video creation should be there, video planning should be there, how we are going to record. So your video should reach in the topic, research should be there, audience problem, clear object. So once if I go back to the YouTube channel again, if I say there is a channel by the name called as Flying Passport. So once if I click on the Flying Passport, so where you can see the videos over here, like for example what number of subscriber. So again if I scroll it down, where you can see it has been written in Kannada as well as with English. They're focusing on the both the things because they're traveling all around world. So according to that they're using this option. So once if I click on Flying Passport, you can see the relevant one day before. So you can see one day number of views, and they are into the Flying Passport. So once if I click on that particular channel, where if I go and see here, there is option called as a more. So now where you can see how they have created a banner. So for creating a YouTube channel, there is a specification with the width and height. So let's say that they have combined a person with some background with attractive. So again if I scroll it down, where you can see there is an option called as a more. So they have given a full information based on the description. Like you can see they have been given the link also. So they are using the social media, it's a Facebook, Instagram and the Telegram. So again if I scroll it down, where you can see they have a email ID, joined on, number of subscribers and videos. So main thing, the channel name and how we are going to give the description plus the videos. So now in the bottom where you can see video, shorts, live, playlist. So once if I click on the video, so where you can see relevant all the videos are available. Suppose if I click on the live, so only one live they have done. So they are reaching on the shorts as well as with the videos also. Okay, so like this, we even we have to upload our video in such a way. Main thing, the content and how we are going to capture your video and those things, and plus the songs what you're going to select. Some YouTubers they'll talk as a live, some they will edit it as per their whatever they're doing. So that is also one of the different variation what they do it. Okay, so this is based on channel is about you have to use it on the like who are you, what is the content, how to create the keywords, everything has to be given. Okay, so next is video creation and how that video creation, what all the things we need to know. So main thing, the time, whatever the video sequence you have. If it is a short, we have a different variation of a times. So once if I talk about the long video, there is no any restrictions on that. So first thing, we must understand how we are going to use the title. So title is important here. So now if I come down to the videos, so now we can see title they have given on the cover page itself. So looking at that, the people will you go and see that particular channels. So first thing, title must include on the keywords and clear plus attractive and my first YouTube video, good title, and where you have to understand. So what all the things we need to know. So next is what, it's a video, a title or video creation. So once we are creating, we need to plan accordingly. So video planning is important. So video planning before editing. So topic on research. So if I'm going to search here, that name has to appear. So now for example, I'll take one more channel name called as Dr. Bro. So once if I click on the Dr. Bro, where you can see he has 2.95 million subscribers. So again, if I come down, where you can see there is a title over here. See, titles with attractive. So like this, even you have to design accordingly and based on the video. Okay. So video description also will be there, plus which includes with keywords. So keyword is nothing but, suppose if I'm going to use a YouTube channel, for example, I want to visit some place. So for example, I want to visit Mysore. So how we are going to give the tagline or the keywords. So this and all it is important. Okay, so next, where we need to know about the first two lines are most important to add the keywords, and then you have to add links and structure with the lines of summary, detailed explanation. So what is detailed explanation? Suppose if I say I'm going to click on this, once if I scroll it down, where you can see the information what he has given. Again, if I just click on more, he is giving information relevant to the video. What is that video? So he's promoting on that particular ad, plus he's giving all the information here. So again, if you scroll it down, where you can see there is a tags. Why we are using this tag means most probably will be searching on this particular tags and all, like see Nepal, where you have different variation of explore. So Dr. Bro, so if I click on that, it goes to that particular hashtag. So now let's say that Himalayan adventure. So once if I click, you can see who are posted on that relevant to that particular videos I'm getting here. Right. So like this, we need to know about the keywords and the structure and how we are going to detailed with the social links also you can attach. Social link is what? When you create your YouTube channel, you should have social media of Facebook, Instagram. Once if I use it, I'll be posting daily basis, not as visually. Some hint will be given. Please click on this and go to that particular channel. So those things and all we can give it over here. Okay, so next one is the where we have video descriptions. As I told you, the summary, everything should be there, and thumbnail with design, and where you have to use the increase the number of click through. So now, again, if I come back, now this is what we call it as a thumb. So as soon as you can see there, the thumbnail how he has given with the background, with what is highlighted, so that it is eager me to watch that particular videos. Okay, So where you have to choose the bright colors and the emotional phase with big text, so all those things will increase click through rate. So this and all, it is important. So let's say that I'm going to have some thumbnail design. So thumbnail design, so first thing, users see, so that is very important here. So next, which increases click through, so click through rates will be there. So next, bright colors, we have to use it. Next, we have to use big text. Then emotional, so you can show your emojis like how you want to keep it, so that then we have to know about the clear messages. So this and all, it is important once we are creating on the thumbline process. Okay, so next here we need to know about the SEO, which helps the video for the rank higher, the factors of affecting ranking with the keywords, title and all. So we have one more option called as CTR. So what is the full form of CTR? So can anyone tell me what is CTR? So CTR will be click through rate. Okay, if users watch your full video, YouTube promotes, and that's how you reach your channel. Okay, so now what we do is we create a new YouTube channel. So for that, first thing, I need to have my email ID. So we'll go to the Google. So I'll create a new YouTube ID here. So now here you can see a Gmail. So this is existing. We create a new mail ID. So now we are going to create a new channel. So click on the create option. So here we'll be having for personal use, for my child, or for my work business. So I'll just say as for my personal use. So once if I click, now you have to decide what is the channel name you're going to select it. So now a channel name depends on whatever you're going to select it. For example, I'll say Sindhu Digital. So this is my channel name where I have to keep it. Just click on next. Okay, so now month we are going to give. So here I have to select gender. I think everybody has a Google account, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can work on the same prospect or you can create your new this thing also. So from the Google, they're giving us the option digital, whatever the name they are giving a suggestion, or else you can create your own also. That is also available. So I'll just select as digital Sindhu 7 at the rate gmail.com. So I have to give a password. So now just click on next. So scan from your mobile. So it will verify your mobile number. So it will take some time to implement on it. Okay. So now if you have any requiry email ID, you can give it, or else you can skip this option. So now it has been created. So the name, the first name what I gave Sindhu, and the last name I gave is at digital. So it is showing as the same name. Later on, if you want, you can make the modification also. So I agree. So now it has been created. On this, we are going to access the YouTube. So now this channel does not have anything. It's a new channel what we are going to start it. So in the left hand side where you can see there is a home, shorts, subscriptions, history, playlist, all those options are available. So again, if I click on this, there is a plus symbol, and here is a notification, and here is your email. So now where you can see create a channel. So I have to create a new channel under the YouTube. Okay. So once we click on the create a channel, so it will open where you can select your picture, and what is the name has to be given over here. So either you can define the name. So profile we can set it later. See, now this option is not taking, so I have to give the suggestions whatever it has been given over here. I'll have to click on the create channel. So now where you can see it says that your channel is being created, check back in a few minutes. So once if I refresh, here our channel is being created. So now once if I go, we have to use the options called as a settings. See, now upload the video, go live. So now here we have a shorts, everything. So now home tab. So now where you can see switch account. So as I told you already, you have an existing email ID, you can switch to that, or else you can make use of this option. So one more option where you can see YouTube Studio. So studio is nothing but where you'll be getting all the dashboard relevant to the video what we are going to upload. So once we click on it, the same whatever I'm doing, that also can be done through the mobile also. So once we click on continue, where you can see there is a your channel dashboard, the content, analytics, community, subtitles, settings, everything are available. Now channel analytics, so we have a current zero. Why? Because we been started just now. So again, if I scroll it down, where you can see there is option called as the upload video. So once if I click on upload, where we have to select the video which has been saved, plus after editing all those things will be there. So now where you can see here also we have upload, and here also we can go live. So go live, and here you can see there is an option called as a create. If I click on it, we have four different options: upload videos, go live, new playlist, and the new podcast. Once if I click on go live, if person you should have requested them. So right now we don't have any videos. So this is how we are going to create a YouTube channel. Is that understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I want you to do is like.
This conference will now be recorded.
So now where you can see it's a YouTube studio. So first thing we have a channel customization. So channel customization means where you have to give your profile, and then there is option called as the banner image. And then again if I scroll it down, where you can see there is a picture, a name. So what all the handle, like this is the name which has been created by default. Plus here we are going to give our description and channel URL and links. So now I told you if I'm using any social media or relevant to the Facebook, Instagram, I can add it, so that person who's going to visit my YouTube channel, even they can come and access our Instagram also. Now, contact info. So let people know how to contact your business in enquiries, or you have any collaboration. So they have to contact. In that cases, we'll be using. Next, one more important thing is video watermark. So this watermark, which will be highlighted on the corner side of the video. Sometimes you might have seen some YouTube channels and all, they have some watermark, so that we are not supposed to take that video and upload until and unless we have taken the like confirmation from them. So let's say that I'm going to use YouTube. So once if I click down, so sometimes some particular videos where we'll be having a watermark. Suppose if I say there is a video by the name called as Roshni Varsha. So if I click, now I want to see some video. So once if I go to the shorts, so now if I scroll it down, see if I just click on this video, in the bottom some watermark informations will be given. So once if I click, so you can see there is a watermark. Some watermark will be very transparent, or some they'll be having their logo itself. So that is also possible to add your watermarks. So again we come back here. Now first thing, important thing is a banner image. So what is banner image? For example, if I go back to the channel, so again if I click on the channel, now here you can see this is the banner. So once if I open this image, so this should have a standard size, that is height and width should be a standard. According to that you're going to use it to upload. If it is less or if it is more than that, where you can't able to upload, so that you have to keep it in your mind. So we have a size like 2048 into 1152 pixels, that should be in the MB, not less than that or not more than that. Okay, so once if I just click on upload, where you need to upload the images. So right now I have some images which is not been edited, where you can utilize with whatever the image you have in. So let's say that I'm going to upload this image. So now you can see image must be at least 1024 into 576. So in that cases what we use, if I know any other software relevant to the graphics, or it might be your own Canva, you can edit that size and you can upload here. So next class I'll make ready for you guys and we'll be uploading this. Next is the profile. So once if I say upload, so I'll just upload this image. So now here you can see you have to customize the size. So now you can see the size. If I just click on done, so it has been created my a profile pic. Okay, so if you want you can remove it, but you make sure that you can even upload a PNG file or GIF file. GIF is what it's relevant to the animated, that also you can upload it. So make sure that your profile will follow your YouTube community. So name also you can change it if it is required. So all these options can be added. Now if I just click on publish, so now you can see my profile pic, it's been changed. So once if I refresh, if I come back to my YouTube channel, so profile, it has been changed over here. Is that understood, guys?
This
So
conference
one
will
more.
now be recorded.
Next is we have monetize with the methods, like where you have to know YouTube ads will be running, brand collaborations you can do it, online course you can do it, then plus you can use it as a freelancing leads also. Okay, so what is the current trend in YouTube marketing? Can anyone tell me? So in real life, what is trending in the YouTube channel? So short forms content is coming more. That means shorts plus personal branding they're giving. Plus they're coming across with AI based content creation. So AI based content creation you might have seen. So many videos which is animated. They're clubbing with the animated. Like for example, animated AI video. So once if I click, so where they have started a new channels where they are reaching like anything with 26 million views. Just AI followed by giving some title and the content. So once if I scroll it down, where you can see most, it's all this and all. It is based on the animated one. So again, if I just click, even you people can start using your AI methods. So you can reach online and all. See this which has the comments, likes, dislikes. So like this you can start uploading. So there's an all how to upload, I'll be guiding you, and adding the trending songs. So that also importance over here. So storytelling videos, education videos, so that the person rather than reading, so they'll come to know by using the pictures or a videos whatever you're going to share it. Okay, so community posts, the polls and all can be uploaded. So these are the trending videos where you can use it. Plus we have a NICT, so that means a specific topic or a subject where you have to use it. So it's a clear topic where you have to know. Like for example, people will understand what your channel is about, and how like with a great rate audience will be there. So cooking videos, so you should not, you should keep it as one prompt saying that one day cooking, next day games, next day study videos. That will not work in YouTube channel. So when you want to be a become a one subject, suppose if I say, if it is a cooking video, you have to concentrate on that particular. If you're going to mix match with that, the people will get bored. Okay, we're not sustained on one video. So you should keep yourself what you're going to start and what the things you're going to do it. So according to that, you have to form your banner, followed by the content what you're going to give it. So maybe tomorrow you'll not be having a class. It will be Monday to Friday, right? So what I want you people to do is create a YouTube channel by your own email ID, and then just send me the YouTube channel link by creating a banner by using the Canva, and set your profile pic, whatever you're gonna select the title. Okay.